I didn't really come prepared. I have to wear my mic like this today because I forgot the lab mics. But we're back. Another regional. Don't know how many we bowled so far. 5 or 6. Back at Black Oak. Last year we lost to Kevin Williams in the step ladder, finished 3rd. This year, hopefully we get a vote for the title. We'll see what happens there. We have 7 games qualified, 46 feet, 5 a pair, the walls to play. This house is a little tricky. Lane to lane. I don't find a lot of pairs very similar as the lane to lane, so I took some notes. I bowled on 4 pairs yesterday, practiced on 1, poem on 3. But I didn't take any notes last year like an idiot. No tripod, holding the camera just by the lens. We're real close right now. I brought some other equipment to hopefully enhance your viewing pleasure. We'll see how well that works out.
By no means your best, but we hung in there. We fought hard. 70 over. Yeah, we'll see if that's enough. Pretty much the whole time. I'm proud of myself for digging in the last 2 games. Also, I haven't bowled a tournament in the 3 break. Haven't really been getting the reps in. Physically, I feel good enough. Mentally, I don't feel like I'm trying to get a little better.
All right, well, we're back for match play. Got 8 games around robin. 12 guys left in the field. Top 3 make it to the step ladder. Hit more balls to the surface. Probably gonna start further left today, but we'll see. It's bowled a little better than yesterday. Ooh, that's a lot. So, this right lane's blowing up real fast. I laced that one. Well, I'm playing 3 different right now. It's about to be 5. That's not very good. Jumping on it. Just not far enough left. The same hit on the right lane. I moved 2. I shall move another 2. Of course, that one strikes. That lane's hooking. The lock looks way better today. It looked pretty bad yesterday. Honestly, I think it would have been fine on the second pair. The first pair was just bad.
Yesterday?
Yeah. Well, hopefully I bowl my 250 and I'll be on my way. Oh, please. God, you 9th in every miss and do that. That lane is cooked. It's even worse is I knew this right lane was more, but going to it fresh, I don't know if it's more than the previous. Stop being scared, use 2 hands. Go. Please, get up on the right lane. Forget how to throw a bowling ball. That was pretty good. All right, didn't know I was supposed to move a arrow after nutting 2 in a row. Yeah, I guess my fault for not moving. Well, I moved 4 in the fill. We gonna need lots of strikes. Ooh, get lucky. God, why is every miss that every time? It's just so non-committal today. And that wasn't the smartest thing I've ever done. I made a bad shot and a bad guess. Like that's just making me work way too hard.
You may have to take the risk on that.
Yeah, I can't just force myself to throw better shots. Like bad ball reactions. Not if I bowl a great game, I'm gonna bowl 220. Go hard. Ball reaction is not very good. Off. Don't think you could bowl worse than this weekend, Darren. Don't think it can be worse. I might be onto something. I found a swing thought. The last 4 shots I threw were pretty good. I'm just trying to stay down a little longer.
You're talking about bowling?
Oh yeah, I need to find my golf swing thought too, because right now I don't want to swing a golf club. Last round was not fun at all. It's a 2-8-10 every time. 'Em. On the lane that hooks more.
This is going to be quite the uphill battle. I'm still here.
Thanks.
Baby. I just don't have it this week. I just don't have it. There's your one. At least won a game. Ah, you bum. Please, Huck. You are just full of not good things. I think we're gonna chalk this one up, guys. This is our worst regional of the year. I just haven't done what I needed to do to find good ball motion. Like even then, I feel like this was about as close as it was gonna get, and every time I had my steep miss at 210, I think I've split just about every game. This is not good. Mentally not sharp, physically probably not as sharp as I can be. Just a really bad tournament. Got position round left. I have no idea where I am in the standings. I just know that 190 to do 20 every game is not good enough. And I'm not winning very many games. Yeah, this place kind of gives me the fits. I mean, I finished third 3 years in a row here, so I don't know if I can say that. Definitely not finishing third this year. Actually, we'll see where the scores end up, but I don't think we're gonna have enough points. 300 will get us to 390. It's currently 355, but I would imagine it's gonna go up a little more. Considering my high game's 249 this week, the odds are not in our favor. But you never know. Good results. That one was quite far from good. Okay, that one was pretty good. That's how you know. Not a very good week. I don't know what it is when I bowl this kid. I feel like he gets everything to go his way. Oh, that's terrible. Well, it didn't 2-8-10, so that's nice. Not bad. Cool. Thanks, man. You too. Or not. This was definitely a learning week. Ball reaction wasn't very good. Got to figure out what we need to do. I just didn't feel like I was very good all around. Physically, mentally, lane play was bad. Didn't really do what I needed to do to score high. I think I finished 9th. I moved up 1 spot. I think I qualified 9th. I don't really know. Either way, not a good week. Bad match play day, bad qualifying block. But I suppose if a bad week is making the cut, it's not so bad. We'll come out here to try to win. So back to the drawing board. Next weekend we're in Washington. If you guys are in the area, come check us out. I don't even really know where we're bowling, but BBA.com, Northwest region. Appreciate you guys watching. See you next time.